We're in today with the HD 2400 Pro. This is a 2007 video card with 512 megabytes of VRAM DDR2, running at 500 megahertz on the core clock, 400 megahertz on the memory clock, 64 bits bus width, DirectX 10, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7 4th Gen with 4 cores and 8 threads. Let me show you one more time, maybe you didn't pay attention. X1. You know why is that X1? Because this is a PCI, not PCI Express. This is a PCI video card, an HD 2000 series on PCI. I mean, let's jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. All right, let's start with GTA and see how it's running on the lowest resolution and lowest quality. What do you expect? I got like 40 FPS on this occasion. Look at this. Oh, yeah. This is oh my God, I'm breaking the car. Seriously, the lag is so real, it breaks the car. I got 99% load on the core. I put a case fan underneath because I didn't know how the performance is on the thermal, so I got like 37 degrees on this. It's passive cool, and yeah, look at this. The funny thing is, it's starting the games. They all run like crap. Seriously, and there is no adjusting here. In MS Afterburner, the slider is on maximum. The original clock for the core is 525, but MS Afterburner decided 500 is maximum. I don't know why. The memory is the same, 400 on it, 420 something. It's on the memory. It's a little down clock because of MS Afterburner. I don't know. Maybe because of the drivers. Maybe it's running better with older operating system. I don't know, but definitely an interesting idea in this case. Seriously, it's a PCI Express. No, it's a PCI video card, and it's running GTA with this. Not the best, not how I wish I would play the games, because there were other video cards that were running nice, so there's a lot of AGP video cards that runs much better than this, so AGP runs at least at X8, and this one is PCI X1, and this is the most horrible thing ever. So I'm with an i7 4th Gen. If I take this out and play on Intel HD this game, it will run 10 times better. Seriously, I made that mistake. I don't know why I didn't even bother to come in this operating system. I remember, because I thought I would play some online games. I wanted to set up the game in such a way so I can show you how it's performing, but dude, I had like 3-4 FPS in the World of Tanks. Call of Duty had the biggest FPS online. Seriously, it had 19 or 15 to 19 FPS or something with the lowest resolution and lowest quality. So yeah, it's not very okay. I think the speed is equal to PCI Express X1, but I think that X1 is doing 10 times more better than this one. Seriously, I'm gonna go on PCI Express 1 because that's a very interesting subject. But regardless, in GTA 3 you can actually see it's utilizing. Now the funny thing is, because of that PCI Express, keep saying PCI Express, because of that PCI lane, I have to adjust my words like that. It's so slow, it's buffering in the memory. 150 megabytes of VRAM utilized here. So this is the most important thing ever, because it's got 500 megabytes of VRAM. But it's for a good reason, because the core... No, the lane on the video card is so slow, it had to buffer some details in the memory. So I'm guessing that was the reason. Just give them 500 megabytes of VRAM. The video card is so slow. Give them 500. Doesn't matter. It was, I think 256 would have been okay to utilize this video card, because you can see that it doesn't need more than 200 megabytes of VRAM. But I think this is the point that I'm trying to make, is that I think that the marketing department said, listen, put 500 megabytes on this video card, I'm going to sell it. Seriously, and I think that's the way they managed to sell it. They put 500 megabytes on this video card, and they said, you know what, I'm gonna sell it as a gaming video card. PCI HD, we're gonna put Pro on it. Listen, if you come at the edge of the map on GTA 3, you get 60 FPS. And that's the most important thing. Go on the edge of the mat, make a picture, look, 60 FPS, and that's it. It's got 500 megabytes of VRAM. What do you want more? This is the best. This is a gaming video card, you know. PCI almost Express. It's very hard to find games that works on this PCI video card. Seriously, it's very hard. So Galaxy on Fire apparently with 1024 with the lowest quality, I got 40 FPS. Now on this machine I can reach 60 FPS, but in some situation you can see that is not very achievable 60 FPS. Maximum core load, 40 degrees on this passive cool with a fan on it. It's funny to see this combination like this, but it does, you know, it does start the game. So this is the most important thing. To be fair, I will rather not be able to start the game, you know, because it has DirectX support and no power. Seriously, I don't, makes no sense. Seriously, maybe the PCI Express, maybe it's X1, I don't know. This is the speed this video card's got. Maybe it's broken. I have to check it out. I have to put it on. I can see the second PC that I want to test it and see if it's working there much better. But regardless, in this situation you can see that you know, on 1024 with lowest quality you get like 40 FPS on average. Interesting, you know, interesting quality from the game. On the system side I got no problem. I got 3.1 gig of system RAM with 10-15% load on the CPU with this. It's not bad, you know. You can see that the CPU doesn't have any stress, so if we're jumping with a Core 2 CPU or something like that, it will be okay. So in this situation with this PCI video card, it's okay, you know, and 105 watts consumption. This is very efficient. This is good for older machines, you know, for older machine that doesn't have any AGP or PCI Express video slots, you know, and you want to test them. Or I have no clue, seriously. I'm asking, where do you put a video card like this? Because here in this game you can see that is barely holding 60 FPS and it's bananas. I want to play a little, you know, I want to go around, I want to play, you know, maybe I want to see how it's loading up the VRAM. Apparently in GTA managed to load it up to nearly 150 megabytes, but in Galaxy on Fire apparently only 85 megabytes of VRAM. Very constant. Usually when I'm looking at outside and when I'm looking at a station, it's totally different performance, but here is very fluent, it's normal. I want to show you the calamity this video card is. Look at this. So I'm in S.T.A.L.K.E.R with the lowest resolution, lowest quality, lowest static light and stuff like that, you know. I'm trying to come here on the edge or somewhere. So I wanna do something that makes this video card look that is working with 30 FPS. I don't wanna move super fast. Got 120. Look at that. If I look at the sky, I got 60 FPS. Wow, look at that. I can see the birds. 60 FPS, 120 megabytes of VRAM. Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the FPS I get in this case. 16, 17 FPS, 123 megabytes of VRAM. This is absurd, seriously, to see this video card running like this. Doesn't matter, in the future I will prepare myself and I'm gonna show you some really nice old games that I think is gonna run really nice on this, and I think this is going to be a different type of benchmark. I think that if I can offer the computer and those games 100 megabytes of VRAM like here, it's gonna do justice. But S.T.A.L.K.E.R here with this video card, it's not possible. Look at this. Not okay, not okay. So even on lowest quality, lowest resolution, lowest everything, get 17 FPS on average, and that's not okay, you know. So if I'm interested on playing this game, I think, yeah, a $10 video card, the £10 video card, it's gonna be 10 times more productive than this one. But this is a very unique video card to have it on PCI. This is a challenge, you know. Even in Minecraft I actually thought I would get more FPS, but despite having this video card, I still yeah, it's very hard to find the game. Seriously, it's very hard. In Minecraft I get like 2 FPS and look at this. I move the mouse and it's screenshot. What the heck is going on? Seriously, you have to move it super slow, you know, like you're sending an email. That's how you move the mouse. 2 FPS, 72 megabytes of VRAM, core is maxed out, 4.3 gig of system RAM, and 2% load on the CPU. Yeah, not funny. Oh, you went 3 frames. Look at that. Whoa, majestic. Okay, so I put 800 by 600 in the game and it still doesn't give me the FPS. What the heck is going on? Alright, this is the lowest resolution. I managed to upgrade to 4 FPS. Look at that. 4 FPS. This is it. Look at that. Having lag, it's an understatement nowadays. You know, it's like, it feels like you got already 30 FPS, but it's just with the ping and the settings, it's not okay. You know, something there. And it's got too much details and the internet doesn't cope, you know, and that is a real, genuine, good problem, seriously, to have say that. Comparing to this one, seriously. Minecraft is not playable on this, seriously. I said, no problem. We're going to jump in Fallout and see how it's running with Fallout, because I put everything on 800 by 600 with lowest quality. I said 800 by 600 with lowest quality, and Fallout is going to be okay, you know. So I'm going to be saved here by this game, because it's gonna give me the FPS. The FPS is gonna be good, and I'm gonna show this game that is working really nice with this video card, and I will be like, yes, see, I managed to find the game that is working with this. 140 megabytes of VRAM initialization, maximum core load, and 13 FPS. Let me reset this. Look at this. 14 FPS. What the heck is going on? I thought Fallout will be playable on this. It's got 500 megabytes of VRAM. It's like 64 bits bus rate. I was like, it's working, you know, it's a PCI video card, you know, it doesn't matter. But that X1 apparently it's butchering the whole thing. It's okay, man. Okay, I understand now. I see the pattern with this display adapter, seriously, because this is what I need to call it, you know. This, it's on 800 by 600 with lowest resolution, with lowest quality, with everything turned off, and I got nearly 200 megabytes of VRAM initialization. Temperature is not bad, you know, but I put that, like I said, that case fan underneath so it can push a little air, and I got like 40 degrees. Okay, I understand. I need older games than this one, apparently. I need 2003 games, seriously, in order to push this video card with some nice FPS. Like 5 years older games than the year of this video card. That's the only way you can put it. This is gonna be very interesting, because if you are playing a game like this, it feels like playing Fallout with this. I mean, it's not a bad idea to have Fallout in your playlist. Can you auto fight here? This is not okay, because I don't know how to play the game. Actually curious. Do you have any inventory? No, nothing. Alright, so apparently this game works like Diablo, you know, that was not using VRAM. Diablo should be very interesting, but definitely not using 500 megabytes of VRAM. But in this situation, you can see there is some options here so you can play the game. Yeah, I'm not very good with this, seriously, but I have to play a little more so I can understand the game. I look at it and I'm like, some new shit I have to learn, you know, but definitely in the right direction with this. The video card is working. I got in this case 30 FPS because the game is running like this, maximum core load, and 39 degrees on the video card score. It's okay. This is okay. This is the right attitude for this. So on the system, I got like 15% load on the CPU with 45 degrees, you know. So all games like this were designed back in the days for this. But yeah, definitely in the right direction. This is the right way to actually use this video card. But 2 megabytes versus 500 megabytes of VRAM. What you doing here? Seriously. Let's see how it's running. Oh, look at that, 120p. Dude, look at this. The 144 and I cannot play a video. What the heck is going on here? Nah, look at this. Even the playback is fantastic. I cannot play YouTube videos with this. Seriously. So 1440p, it's out of the question. If you put what is it, 1440p here, look at that. Frames. Seriously. Not even 144p. On 144p apparently, see, it's still laggy. Damn, YouTube video is not playable with this. Oh, video card, what are you doing here? Seriously. I think this video card needs to be put with older titles, like really old titles, in order to get something from it, you know. I'm very grateful that I have something like this. A PCI video card, they are very rare, you know. I have a couple of them, and yeah, they're not very good on performance side, you know. But they have low memory and stuff, you know, and don't have enough performance. But to see this type of video card like this, you know, with 500 megabytes of VRAM working, you know, on PCI, it's majestic. You know, it's a collectible theoretically, but collectible in the bin. Seriously. No, I don't put it in a bin and just put it in a bag and never use it for a very long time. No, I will make it as a mission so I can get this video card up and running. Seriously, with some titles, with some old games. It's a must, you know, to make this video card look great. That's it. I want this so bad. Seriously, it's a PCI video card and I need to make it look nice. That's it. I think I said it. No, if I disable this video card and enable the Intel HD from this CPU 4600, I think it's gonna be 10 times more performant than this one, and it's gonna be majestic comparing it to this. I have it in the library. I wanted to show you, and I think this is a good lesson on appreciating what you have. Some people don't know how to appreciate what they have, but me showing you this video card on PCI, I hope you're gonna appreciate what you have. If you have any suggestion in the future for this PCI video card or for the system, leave a comment, smash that like button, and I will see you very soon.